If you stick around to the end of the video, you will see how peppy and good the car becomes with the new INJORA Pro motor. So be sure to stick around. Hello, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna install a new motor for the FMS FCX18. We will be installing the INJORA 180 Pro 48 turn brushed motor, and this will be a good upgrade because it will be a little bit faster, but since you have the low gear and the high gear, you can choose what kind of speed you want to run. And as usual, I will show on camera the install and what to think about, and then we will do a quick overview and final thoughts at the end of the video to see if we like the new motor or not. So let's switch to the montage when I'm installing the motor, and I will come back after that. Alright, we're finished. We have installed our new INJORA 48 turn Pro motor, the purple one. And now we will test and see how it works and do a little bit of a review of it to see how we like it and what benefits we are getting out of it. So first of all, this is the high gear. It's really peppy, I would say, since we are getting a lot of wheel spin out of the second gear when we are just hammering it. And then we have our low gear. So we will do some speed tests on the floor here now. I will reposition and then I will do the final thoughts. Alright, so we will do some testing of the motor now and see how the speed is. What I like about the FCX18 is that we have the low gear, so you can really do some technical driving. As you see, this is the full speed of first gear, but you can also have some fun with it since we have the high gear. As you can see, it is really peppy. And since we have the 48 turn motor now, the high speed is a little bit higher than it was before. So you see, it even can do some wheelies now. Yeah, to sum it up, I love the FCX18. It's, I would say, my favorite 18 scale vehicle I have right now. And with the new INJORA 48 Pro motor, the peppiness of the car is even better than it is stock, and it's really good stock. So this is a good upgrade, and you retain the crawlability since we have the low gear. So it's a really versatile vehicle, I would say. Okay, it's not a speed demon that you will bash around, but you can do some trail driving in a little bit faster way than just crawl around and do the technical stuff. So it's a fun scale car that is really fun to drive. And yeah, I really like this platform. It's really fun. And the new motor is also fun. So with that, thanks for watching, and remember, hit the like button, subscribe, because if you're not subscribed, you will not get the notice when the next video comes out. So have a nice one, and I see you in the next one. Bye!